Welcome everybody. I got in my car last night and it would not start. I attribute it to the battery. So I believe this is the original battery and my car is a 2013. It's got 105,000 miles still on its original tires and original battery. So I'm guessing that's what it is. I put the battery charger on it overnight and I'm betting it's going to start up. Let's give it a try. And there we go. She fired right up. Now, fortunately, this happened in my own garage, so it was an easy fix. I'm going to head over and get a new battery right now. But had this happened someplace else, I could have really been out of luck. So I think it's really important to remember, join an auto club of some type. I think I pay, I don't know, $99 a year with AAA, and that's a higher tier program. And I've had to use it a few times. Now, had this happened when I was stuck somewhere, my car was at the airport, it would have been really nice to be able to have something like AAA come and bail me out. So where am I going to go? I know a lot of you are going to say, oh no, Mark, don't do this. I'm going to Battery Plus. A lot of places aren't open right now. Battery Plus has a pretty reasonably priced battery for, I don't know what it is, 150. I think they have one that's even close to $100, but it doesn't have much of a warranty. I think they have one for like 100 and, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, and it's got a 2-year warranty, replacement, full replacement. That's all I really need. This is a, 2013. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't want to monkey around. I don't want to, I'm kind of lazy today, not going to get my hands dirty. So I'm taking the easy way out. Another thing to remember, there are Battery Pluses everywhere, and they will put that battery in for you. So if I'm ever stuck somewhere and I need to have that replacement, it's going to be really easy to replace. So that's something else to consider. As much as I like giving my business to the local guy, sometimes I have to look out for my future best interests.
Looks like it might be the
2013. Well, that was a surprise. He put the tester on it. He said the battery tested just fine, no dead cells. It was putting out exactly what it should be putting out. It was, I don't know, 13.7 or something for a 12-volt battery. And we did a starter check and an alternator check. Everything works. So now I wonder if, well, first of all, hopefully I just left something on. It's kind of tough on these cars when it's a push button start, but that's a possibility. Fortunately, we're at a time when I'm not driving my car a lot, so I'll test it for the next few days and we'll see what happens. I'm kind of stymied right now, but good news, that's I don't know, 150 bucks that I just saved. Oh well. If nothing else, what we learned here is don't jump to conclusions, right? Get that tested before you spend your good hard-earned money. I'll have to get this out of mothballs pretty soon. It's just about time for lunch, so in keeping with my healthier eating regimen that I recently employed, I have these two choices. I actually have 3 things here. So let's see what we're looking at. This has 6 grams of fat with 0.5 saturated and 13 grams of carbs. This is 110 calories, again 0.5 saturated fats, 4.5 grams of fat, 390 sodium. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, look who joined us. Hi. This has 130 calories, 4 grams of fat, 0.5 saturated, and 360 sodium. So these are all pretty comparable. I guess it just matters what I'm hungry for. I just had this one for lunch yesterday. I'm going to try this version. It says I can use microwave or pan fry. I'm going to use a combination. I'm going to thaw it in the microwave, and then I'm going to fry it. It says put a little bit of oil, so I'm going to use some Pam spray. And I'll plop that in there for 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And while that's heating up, I'm going to get the bun ready. I'm going to use a whole wheat bun because it has no fats and no cholesterol in there. And it's whole wheat, so it's good for me, right? I'm not using ketchup, too much sugar, so I'm going to be using salsa instead. That's just about ready. A little bit of salsa on there to give it some flavor. And then I'm going to add a little lettuce. I'll add some body to it. And I'm about ready to eat. And when I'm done eating, I have another little project I'm going to share with you. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with this one, but let's have lunch first. I'm done with lunch, so let me tell you my other project that I'm contemplating. I have this robot vacuum cleaner, and I really, really like it. It worked really well, but something occurred and it got wet. And this light came on, and I check all of the books, online, everything, and it doesn't give anything for what that message means. So I bought a new battery online, hoping maybe the battery shorted out. Got the new battery, installed it. It wasn't that. So I returned the battery. So there's one other thing I'm thinking of, and that is maybe something electronic. I see for 35 bucks you can get a motherboard online. I don't know, maybe I'll give it a shot. These are about $300, so it's a waste if I don't fix it. The motherboard has a 30-day return policy. What I think people do is snap up these old broken ones online, you know, on eBay or on Craigslist or whatever for probably $10 or $20. And then they dismantle them and sell all the parts. That's what I suspect they do. So I think I might try to fix this one. We'll see. What do you guys think? Leave your opinions down below. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking my face in the corner. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so you know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching me with this home vlog and a little bit outside the home. I'm Mark. This is the Average Me channel.